Hello and welcome back to Tolaris TV. I'm Rick Bavec with Tolaris Homes. We're here at this project you've been watching for the last several months in North Orlando. Wanted you to see kind of where we are with the windows and the roof dried in, also some of the quality control that we do here at Tolaris Homes. The blue that you see on the roof is actually a peel and stick product. Shingle will be going over that, and then metal drip strips around the edge. In this front arch area, you're going to have metal, seamless steel metal roofing on it. Windows are in, they're from PGT, made here in Florida. You'll notice check marks. Those are part of our quality control here at Tolaris Homes. And the little squares of concrete that you see at the bottom of each wall, they are actually poured solid cells that go beside every window, door opening throughout the house. They're inspector pours, and they're done to make sure that concrete is gone from the header all the way down to the footer. That's part of what's happening here at Tolaris Homes on this job. We're going to start looking inside. We got framing, rough electrical, rough plumbing, and rough HVAC coming up, so stay tuned.